So just to give you an update on our media bay, it's coming along really well. As you can see, all the kin chrome stuff has been unwrapped. That took a little while. We've got all the benches laid out. There's going to be more stuff in here, but we'll get to that later. Big change behind me. Let's go check that out.
Hey, show us your t-shirt for FullBOOST. Original RB30.
So what we've got here is some of our work bays. There's going to be 3 of these bays. This is just to give you an indication of the size. There's obviously going to be a hoist here. We've got kin chrome tools. These are far from finished, but the walls have just been going up. There's 3 bays. As you can see, we've got another bay here now. I mean, it's not, you don't have to say why is there an RX-8 in a workshop. I mean, that's a given. But why is there a FullBOOST sticker on it? Yeah, I think we'll have to talk about that later. So this area is where you guys are going to be able to service your own cars, take your gearbox out, pull your rotary engine out, whatever you're doing. But yeah, there's 3 bays. They'll all essentially be the same. They'll have tools, they'll have air, basically all the main stuff you need to do 99% of the things on your cars. Joel's have just turned up and they're putting in the first hoist for us. These are going in the individual bays. There'll be 3 of these by the end of the week. As you can see, it's really starting to take shape here. One down, 2 to go. So Lance's on the back wall, they're putting up 4 TVs. That's going to make a TV wall be one massive screen. It'll look unreal. Big thanks to Joel's Garage Gear and Wade for installing them. We've got 3 hoists on this side now. As you can see, we've got a Burson's, Auto Parts, kin chrome and a Joel's bay. Now these signs, as well as our front sign, were done by National Signs in Epping. Big thanks to them, they've come up fantastic. They look really good at night, all this stuff. On top of that, Lance has finished the TV. Now this looks fairly basic. This took quite a while to get right. At night time, this looks fantastic. That's 470, they don't look that big from here, but they're 75-inch TVs to make one big TV. So we've just arrived at Joel's Garage Gear to pick up a few odds and ends. And we're gonna have a little bit of a tour. Andrew, you're gonna give us a bit of a look, see what you got out the back. I wanna check out one of your triple stackers.
Let's go have a look.
So we're at your Melbourne depot. Now you guys are growing, ever expanding. You've now got a distribution centre in Queensland.
We have, yep. That was October, I think it was last year that we got that set up. And we've now just got some product over in Perth.
Oh wow, okay.
So yeah.
Going to end up in every capital city.
Hopefully one day.
Hopefully one day. So this is our hoist we've got at the factory, at FullBOOST Garage.
Yep, 4.5 tonne, 2-post clear floor.
This would be one of your most popular items?
By far our most popular, yeah, when it comes to 2-posters. They're a very versatile hoist. You'll get your 4-wheel drives on here, you'll get your little cars like MX-5s, Golfs, just all round a really versatile hoist. Not super tall, so you can get them into a lot of garages at home as well, and great value for money.
Yeah.
Like when you look at the buy price to what you get.
Absolutely.
3-year warranty.
Let's have a look at some of your other products. This one here, obviously, this isn't something too many blokes are putting in their man caves, but I can understand the need for it with lack of space, and a lot of people have cars that don't get used all that often, so.
Yeah, and look, it's free space up in the air, isn't it? We're all generally paying rent for a warehouse, and if you're one of the lucky people that have got cars to store that way, then yeah, it's a great bit of kit.
Is there a weight limit on these?
From memory, 2.5 tonne on the first platform and 2 tonne on the top one.
I guess you've got your more conventional 4-post here. Now these are on wheels, are they?
Yeah, so if we were to bring this one down, it'd actually lift these columns off and then you'd be able to wheel it around. Not super easy to do, it is sort of 1,000 kilos worth of steel.
Over here you guys do, what, you've got tyre changes?
Tyre changes, yep. So this is our basic one. You get a lot of stuff done on that, but over here we've got our professional series. Yeah, again, for the price, they're a really good machine. We also do the digital balancer that goes with these. So a lot of people will buy them as a combo. And then we've got our cabinets. Obviously these have been a big hit. That's our corner unit there. This is our garage cabinet combo essentially. This is our larger one. And now we've actually got the tall cabinets for sale on their own.
This is probably more your traditional style of hoist that I remember growing up. I guess you don't have as much issues with the roof height.
You don't. You'll buy this one if you're doing things like vans, tall vehicles, and then if you've got a low ceiling height at home or even in your workshop. We've had people putting them under mezzanines because they're not as high. We've got the 4 tonne, the 4.5, the 5. They're all different heights, different weight ratings.
So our hoists are obviously 240 volt, but you guys obviously have a 3-phase type option?
We do, yeah. Yep. So everything comes standard as 240. Upon request, we can do 3-phase. Yeah, we can cater to that.
Massive thanks to Joel's Garage Gear. We have just picked up a tyre changer, a wheel balancer, hydraulic press, we've got air hose reels, a bunch of other stuff. We're going to go back to the factory now and unbox it. Okay, so it's a new day here at the shop. We have a little test run organised with a few friends coming in with different jobs and different levels of experience. But before that, we have to quickly shoot up to Burson Auto Parts to get some bits and pieces. We're down here at Burson Auto Parts Epping store, picking up a few supplies for some of our own cars. Now we've got something really cool to share with you. We've brought Michael in. He's going to talk to us a little bit about some of the offerings for you guys and what you're going to be getting.
Great to be here, and Burson Auto Parts is super excited to be jumping on board with a FullBOOST team. Yeah, we are here out at Epping today and happen to see the boys pop past, but we are opening up a community-based opportunity for you guys, for the Victorian fans and followers of FullBOOST, which is pretty exciting for us. But the main thing is you will be able, as a FullBOOST Garage member, registered to access a unique account in your local Burson store throughout Victoria. So yeah, we're super pumped to be jumping on board, mate.
Yeah, awesome. So in short, members will be able to get discounts on some of the parts they're going to be using in our garage and even at home.
That's correct, and it's something for us that we're quite proud of. And, you know, being a community, an Aussie-owned brand, touching back and being with the community is so important to us. We see so many various mechanics, automotive shops, tyre shops, working hard throughout the week, but then getting to the track on a weekend with their family and testing out their pride and joy. So yeah, being able to have that touch point is super exciting for us and something we're quite proud of.